how can you quickly remove an image background? Now there are different sites that you can use to do this, but I prefer using the Remove.bg background because this option does not give you a result with any watermark on it. So if you just type remove.bg, then you get that there. Now when you visit this website, for instance, I just open that, you'll just upload your image by dragging and dropping. So you can always use the free version. You don't have to log in to create any account. So if I wanted to maybe just upload an image, I'll select an image from here and wait for the upload option to come. So still giving me that option now. And then when I have uploaded an image, I'll just pick an image here that has a background. Let's take for instance this here. So if I open this image here, I'm able to remove the background. You notice that the initial image had a background and now this does not have a background. Now sometimes it might cut out some sections of your image, but it does a good job to do that. Then you can now download this image. You can always download it in the given dimensions, or if you want maybe a much bigger sizing, you can then maybe upgrade. So if I just download, I'll have the image downloaded. So if I compare my downloaded image to the initial image that I had uploaded before, you'll notice that it does not have a background. So that's a simple method, maybe a simple site that can help you remove an image background when you are doing your editing or creating content.